There's a plan that God has for his family. And I have it here in Ephesians 3, verse 3 and 9. Read it on your own. Paul said, I'll tell you what the mystery is. Jews and Gentiles, Jews and Arabs will be one family together. They'll love each other forever. Jesus prayed it in John 17. I have it. They'll be one as I and the Father are one. Jesus says, I got a plan to bring Gentiles, Arabs, and Jews, the most long-term, intense, historic conflict in the human race. I'm going to bring them together into such unity. It's going to shock the world. This is the whole world. You know, when the mighty angel visited Daniel in Daniel chapter 11, verse 33, he goes, there will be a people who understand. There will be millions of Gentiles who understand the biblical narrative of Israel. They understand the mystery. And the mystery, I just mentioned it, Ephesians 3, the Jews and the Gentiles all together as one international family of affection.